Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking third standard English subject. Today we are going to start second semester syllabus. Our today's first topic is This is Treasures. This is Treasures. And this poem is written by Daphne Lister. Daphne Lister. So students, first, let's learn about the keywords from lesson number 1. This is treasures. Poem number 1. This is treasures. Swept. S-W-E-P-T. Swept. Meaning of swept. Moved something with great force. Next word is swill. S-W-I-R-L. Swill. Move quickly in circles. Move quickly in circles. Next word is swish. S-W-I-S-H. Swish. Meaning of swish. To move quickly with a smooth, gentle sound, especially through the air. Next, shimmered. Meaning of shimmered. Shone with a soft, wavering light. Next, by the score. Meaning of by the score, in large numbers. Next, treasures. Meaning of treasures, collection of valuable things. Next, pebbles. Meaning of pebbles, small, round, smooth stones. Next, seaweed. Meaning of seaweed, a type of plant that grows in the sea. A type of plant that grows in the sea. Today, I explain you about the poem that is the Sea's Treasure. This poem is written by Daphne Lister. Who has written this poem? Daphne Lister. First, I am going to recite the poem. I want everyone to be attention as recite the poem. In swept the sea with a swill and a swish. It shimmered and whispered, "Choose what you wish." And the sea showed its treasures. At the edge of the shore, shining bright pebbles and shells by the score. Long ribbons of seaweed that shone gold and red. "I will share them, I will share," the sea softly said. So students, what is given in this poem? We are going to learn that what other treasure from the sea. So in swept the sea, swept means pushed with a force or moved something with great force. In swept the sea means how the sea moving here and there with the force and the pressure with a swill and a swish. You can see when you go to the beach, you can see how the waves move up and down with a swill in a wavy motion. Swish means it is the sound word or to move quickly with a smooth, gentle word, especially through the air. Have you listened to the waves like swish, swish? What are the sound word, students? When we are banging the door, banging is the sound word. Tring tring is the sound word of the phone. So like that, swish is the sound as the waves. And the sea showed it treasure. And the sea showed its treasure. Now sea is showing you its treasure. From what are the treasure that you get from the sea? Sea is telling that its treasure means collection of valuable things. It is not like that you can find diamonds inside the sea. What are the treasures if you find in the sea? At the edge of the shore. At the edge of the shore means, edge means the bank, at the bank. At the shore you can see shining bright pebbles. Shining bright pebbles and shells by the score. And shells by the score. Whenever you had been to a beach, you must have noticed you can see in the shell, sling in the shore, that all are the treasures in the sea. Shining bright pebbles, different types of shell on the shore of the sea. Long ribbons of seaweed, long ribbons of seaweed that looks like a ribbon, that looks like a ribbon. They are the plant that is found in the sea, that shown gold and red, that shown gold and red. When the sunlight falls on the sea, this ribbon shine like gold and red. The ribbon shine like gold and red. I will show them, I will share. I will share them. I will share. The sea softly said. The sea softly said. So, sea is saying that all these things that you can find inside bright the sea, they are going to share it with you. So, the sea is going in that I will share this treasure that is found inside the sea. With that, that is why, students, we have to keep the sea clean, because we can find all things in the sea. It makes the sea beautiful. So, these are treasures that you find inside the sea. So, in this poem, sea is telling that all treasures sea has. What are the treasure that the sea? It has bright shining pebbles. It has different types of shells. We can find different types of seaweeds. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Memorize and write poem number 1, This is Treasures, and write keywords from poem number 1, This is Treasures, page number 10 in your English homework book, and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.